This is Dr. James with Helpmommy.com. And last week, I took a break from TikTok making videos. One, it was just busy. I had a lot of things going on. My oldest son was graduating from college. My mom was in town. Of course, Mother's Day was coming. The office was busy. I took a break. And that's what I'd like to talk about today is taking a break. As a parent, you need to take a break. You need to take a break to recharge. You need to take a break to just rest. You need to take a break to just look at everything around you so that you can be thankful for all you have. It's important to take a break. So how do you do that? Well, it just depends. Sometimes that may be asking your spouse if you can go get your nails done, your toes done, go for a massage, go out with one of your friends, your sister, your mom for a lunch or a dinner. Sometimes it just means a date night with your spouse. Sometimes it just means a nap. But it's important for you to realize when you're getting run down, when you're getting overwhelmed, and be able to take a break. Sometimes that break is just some time to spend with your family alone at the park or on a vacation. And sometimes in life will eat all of our time. Time is our most valuable asset. And if we allow it, work, the world, our phone, they'll all take all of our time and they'll eat all of it. So be conscious about it. Realize when you're hitting your limit and take a break. Trust me, everyone will benefit from it. Even though you may separate from your children or separate from your spouse or separate from work, all those things will benefit from that separation. Because, well, you'll be more involved, you'll be more thankful, you'll be more rested, you'll be better at all those things if every once in a while you take a break from those things.